Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to log in Commercial Bank of Qatar mobile banking. First, open the CBQ mobile app or use a web browser. In this video, we'll use the browser, but you can also download the app. Go to the search bar, type Commercial Bank of Qatar and tap Search. From the results, click the official bank website and wait for the page to load. Once it opens, tap on the Login or Profile option in the top menu. Next, choose the type of account you want to log into, such as personal, mobile, or corporate banking. Select the relevant account, for example, personal banking, and you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your registered user ID and password, then tap Sign In. If extra security is required, such as an OTP or CB Safe ID verification, follow the on-screen instructions. After completing these steps, you'll be logged in to your Commercial Bank of Qatar online or mobile banking account. If you don't have an account yet, select Create Account and enter the required details to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.